Hi, it's Shelly and welcome to my channel. What are we doing today? In this daily life video, we have been really busy in daily life here in Puerto Morelos, Mexico. Hard to believe we've been here for a month already. Time flies when you're having fun. We've had quite the variety of weather, from really hot and humid when we got here to lots of rain, and then now it's turned into some really beautiful temperate temperatures. We made a trip into Playa del Carmen to get our Walmart fix. We've been shopping and cooking. We've been to the optometrist and to the dentist, and another trip back to the vet. We've been to the beach doing a bit of home improvement, and we celebrated American Thanksgiving. So busy daily life in Puerto Morelos. It's what we're doing today. When we first got here, it was hot and humid. I can't believe how much Penny loves laying out there in the sun. Hot dog, I guess.
And then, just like that, the rains began. But you know what? It's great to just have it at night instead of during the day. We had a gorgeous day today, so yeah. Well, guys, I guess you could say we're getting a bit of rain. The street here is completely flooded. It's not quite coming up on my sidewalk yet, but there's the river running down the street.
Oh, and I have this cute little guy hanging out in the back. I love geckos. So it's time to hit Walmart in Playa del Carmen. We caught the colectivo in front of the Highway Chedraui, and we are off. It's always a fun day to go into Walmart. Simple things. And sometimes they have things we can't get here in Puerto Morelos. Bags are full. We can only buy as much as we can carry. This is a little bit of filming about where it is that we catch the colectivo back to Puerto Morelos along the highway. It's always a fun day to just jump on the colectivo and go into Playa. Just something different. I briefly mentioned this little meat store in one of my previous videos, but today I went in to check it out. Great prices for meat and seafood. Their meat's frozen, and they have a great selection. I bought a package of 2 chicken breasts, and they were huge and perfect for my batch cooking this week. They had a beautiful visitor in the backyard this week. I just love that there's so much nature here. Miss Penny is thinking it's time to go to bed. This is the look I get when it's bedtime. Is it bedtime? Do you think it's time to go to bed? Look at that nose. Look at that nose. Okay, in today's batch cooking video, we're going to make shrimp pasta with sun-dried tomato pesto. So we've got the shrimp here. And I'm going to throw some chickpeas in there just to, give it a little bit more healthy. I've already got my pasta pre-cooked. I'm going to add in some broccoli that I had ready in the freezer as well, and then some red onions that are already chopped up and ready to roll. Next, we're going to make fajitas. I have some chicken breasts that I've already cut into slices. I've got some green and red peppers, some mushrooms, cremini mushrooms I'm going to throw in there, as well as some more red onions. And for this one, I'm going to throw in some black beans. And I'm going to use this fajita mix that I brought from home to make that all up. And then also for this one, I have batch cooking some rice here, so we will have that with our fajitas as well. And we may roll it up in a taco. I'm not just quite sure yet, or a tortilla. I'm not just quite sure yet, but yep, that's today's version of batch cooking. Such beautiful colors. And I always have my assistant in the kitchen. Fajitas are ready, and now it's on to my shrimp pasta. Okay, so here we have it. 2 servings of shrimp pasta and 3 servings of fajitas. That's the result of this week's batch cooking. Looks like we're gonna be eating really well again. Always a messy day in the kitchen on batch cooking day. So when I was at Walmart in Playa del Carmen, they have a kind of Asian food little kiosk there, and they had this sushi. So I don't know, I think it's slightly better than gas station sushi, right? Anyways, so I bought it. It was 89 pesos, so about $5, and I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 pieces. So I'm gonna have that for a snack this afternoon. I need new glasses, so I made an appointment to see an optometrist, and they are located on Timon. Beautiful, nice, clean office. Friendly service, and they do speak English. This is just a little video to kind of show you where they are located. It's on the corner of Timon and Vallarta, across the street from Pepe's. On my way home, I decided to stop at Bodega Verde for a quick bite. This is a lovely restaurant. Lots of healthy options and lots to choose from. It's a really beautiful atmosphere. I ordered the smoked salmon bagel. Came with a lovely side of salad, chock full of salmon and cream cheese. I ordered a frappuccino as well. The cost was 245 pesos, but I could only eat half of the bagel and ended up taking the other half home to enjoy later. Well, Penny's issues from last week returned, and so we're back at the vet. Poor wee Penny gets so stressed at the vet. We're going to have to do more investigation into her problem, so we had to schedule an ultrasound. More on that one once we have more information. In the meantime, this is the poor little thing's diet of medications. Well, the rains have stopped and it's time to hit the beach. They're working on repairing the pier, so hopefully it will be finished before busy season arrives. I finally got in the water today. It was so a little fresh getting in, but absolutely clear and a beautiful, amazing day. Next, we're off to the dentist, located in the plaza running west of Chedraui at the highway. Again, lovely, clean facilities, cute dinosaur theme for the kids. I got my teeth cleaned, and so we're good to go. Cost 950 pesos. I used that fajita recipe to make some amazing burritos. With the weather turning a bit cooler and wanting to have the house open, I bought these door screens to keep the mosquitoes out from Amazon. They were a little short, so I came up with a plan and sewed a little extension on the bottom. I taught Penny how to go through the bottom, and she absolutely loves the freedom of going in and out as she pleases. So it's Thanksgiving, but I couldn't find a turkey, so we roasted a chicken and had an amazing traditional potluck dinner. So delicious and fun to get together with friends. Okay, so tonight I ordered wings from Burger Underground. And I got some fries because I had that beautiful gravy that we had for our Thanksgiving dinner. I'm going to turn that into some poutine. This comes with some veggies and your choice of dipping sauce. That poutine was amazing. So that's it for this week. Keeping busy and enjoying life in Puerto Morelos, Mexico. Stay tuned for next week's video where I will be going over my budget for my first month back in Puerto Morelos, Mexico. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.